what are we doing, Zane?
We're about to cut a box.
So Zane, I think, has been working on a parametric design of like a tool, like a shelf organiser kind of box, all modular, and he can scale it and do what he wants with it. So we've just set up this P2, which has an extended delivery date, so it's all done. GPS components, you're going to love it. So here we are with the P2. I've hooked a strop to the roof so we can get the dust shoe out of the way with the hose, and I think we're about to give this a whirl. I think Zane's just manually set the Z height. Oh, it's doing a tool change. We're running it without the dust shoe because I might have stood on it and broke it. So we have glued it, but we're just going to run it without. Is this doing dog bones? Oh, piloting. I'm going to turn the extractor on. We're just going to run it open and see how well it goes. It's actually working really well. It's working really well. Braking, so it must be finished on that tool. That noise is the dust shoe actuator. We put a switch on them just so we can manually control them. Need to tidy up those that plumbing, but that's the final thing that gets done. What feed and speed have you got? 12,003 meters. See how much damage this does. So let's try it again with the tab back again. Round 2. Let's see how much damage we can do this time. So that's the last of the tool path. So that board is just slightly small. I wonder if we can shuffle it slightly over. Oh yeah, no, that's yeah. If you nudge it across a millimetre, you'll be just cutting on that existing line. issue with plywood is if we don't have the Z height set correctly, it bows in amongst the passes. So if we're just trying to take a 0.5 skim below into the wasteboard, if there's that little bit of flexion in it, it's not actually enough, and that's what we've seen here. Some of these tabs break off and some of these parts move. So we're going to run it again. We'll grab another fresh bit of timber and we will cut slightly deeper, maybe 3mm, and see how these tabs go. Right, tabs have been made bigger, we've installed a fresh sheet, and we've slowed a few things down and tweaked some feeds and speeds. Let's give it a go. Oh, we pulled it off because it was flapping, so there you go. So you can see how the dust shoe operates in a lightweight version. Damn tab. Try again. Oh, what a shame. So that was much better. I think we increased the RPM on that one. You can see how well the dust shoe worked even with most of it missing. And you can see the quality of the cut is actually pretty tidy. This is pallet grade plywood, so it's a bit patchy and boggy in places. But well done, Zane. Win. So the Grand Victor has left. So I thought just a quick video. I've just vacuumed it. You can see here the tabs that have been left in there. So this will break out with a little bit of persuasion. But we'll let Zane do that, and I'll show you the kind of the assembled. That's what it's going to look like, a bit tidier than that one. That's it. A lot of people have been asking how to get square cuts or corners that fit. The idea is a dog bone, what we call a dog bone, because it looks like a cartoon dog bone. Draw. Dog bone. So we have the right angle cut, and then we have that little dog bone taken out. So you can imagine that if you do that with a chamfer mill or a really small bit or a drill bit prior, you can get that radius down quite low, but that ensures that we do have the relief for a nice 90 degree in there. Here's the fully assembled tote tray with no screws in it yet, so we've got some holes there for piloting some together. You could run a bead of PVA glue, we'll probably seal it up, but nice little dog bones, all the corners match. You can see there's a little gap that'll pull tight when we put some screws in it, but it's looking really, really good. Really impressed with that.